In this video, I will show you how to find and open a USB or external device using the terminal in Ubuntu. Let's start. First, open the terminal. You can press Ctrl, Alt and T together on your keyboard, or search for terminal in your apps. Now, let's find the device. Type this command showing on the screen. Then press Enter. It may ask for your password. Type it and press Enter again. You will now see a list of drives. Your main hard drive is usually called /dev/sda. Your USB or external device will look like /dev/sdb1 or something similar. Remember the name of your device. Now we need to make a folder to open the device. Type the command showing on the screen. Then press Enter. Now we will mount the device. Type this command showing on the screen, replace SDB1 with your device name. Then press Enter. Now the device is ready. You can see its files by typing and then ls. That will show you the files inside. When you're done, you need to unmount the device before removing it. Type this command showing on the screen. Then press Enter. That's it. You just found and mounted a device in Ubuntu using the terminal. Thanks for watching.